Today we have come across a very interesting question which says x is equals to 2 plus root 3. X is equals to 2 plus root 3. You need to find x square plus 1 by x square. The value of x is given 2 plus root 3. You need to find x square plus 1 by x square. Now for solving this kind of question, the first step that you need to do, since our x is already given, that is 2 plus root 3, the first step is we need to find 1 by x. The first step would be we need to find 1 by x. So for that we can write if the value of x is 2 plus root 3, the value of 1 by x would be 1 by 2 plus root 3. As simple as that. Now we all know that whenever this sort of number comes, we need to rationalize the denominator. So for rationalizing the denominator, what is the next step? We need to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the conjugative of 2 plus root 3. That is 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Please pay a bit of attention. What we are doing over here, we are just changing the sign and we are keeping the number as it is, and we are multiplying both the numerator and the denominator with the conjugative of 2 plus root 3. Now it's very simple. 1 into 2 is 2 minus sign. 1 into root 3 is root 3 by. If we look at the denominators, this is 2 plus root 3 and this is 2 minus root 3. We can put a formula, that is a plus b and a minus b, which gives us a square minus b square. So what we need to do? Square the first number and square the second number. Very simple. Square the first number and square the second number and put a minus sign as because a square minus b square formula is being used. So 2 minus root 3 by 2 square. 2 into 2, that is 4 minus root 3 square. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So put 3. So now we can say it is 2 minus root 3. Now in place of denominator it is 1, so no need to put. So this is 1. So as we know that in place of denominator 1 has no value. So this will be our answer for what? For 1 by x. So the value of x was given 2 plus root 3 and the value of 1 by x is 2 minus root 3. Now our second step would be to find x plus 1 by x. Our second step would be to find x plus 1 by x. Now what was the value of x that was given in the question? 2 plus root 3, put a plus sign. And what is the value of 1 by x that we have found? 2 minus root 3. This is the value of x which was given in the question, and this is the value of 1 by x which we have calculated. So if we look at this equation properly, plus root 3 minus root 3, both of them get cancelled. So 2 plus 2 is what? 4. This is what? This is the value of x plus 1 by x. This is the value of x plus 1 by x. So our half of the question is solved. Now let's move on to this question. Now x square plus 1 by x square can only be found out if we use the identity x plus 1 by x whole square. X plus 1 by x whole square. What is the formula? The formula says x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. This is just a basic identities which you have done in previous classes also. X plus 1 by x whole square is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. Now if you look at this equation, x and x will get cancelled. So what stays? Only 2. Now x plus 1 by x we have already found. What is the value? 4. So we can write 4 square is equals to x square plus 1 by x square, as because we don't know this. This is what we need to find. Plus 2. Keep the plus 2 as it is. Now you see 4 square means what? 16. That is equals to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Now this 2 is in addition sign. If we bring this 2 to this side, it will be subtract. So 16 minus 2 is equals to x square plus 1 by x square. That means we can say x square plus 1 by x square, the value is 16 minus 2 is 14. This is what they have asked us to find. So the value of x square plus 1 by x square is 14, and this is your final answer. Done.